Hi, I'm Dari Frants, and today we'll see how to do feathering in VideoPad. Okay, this is our VideoPad project, and let us create, for example, one blank. Let it be blue, like this. Okay. Add blank, and the next one, green, for example. Okay, and let us drag and drop them into video track, and we will put the blue blank over green one. And in order to get feathering, I'll use the mask. So let's go to blue blank, add effects, and add the mask. Like this, for example. The shape doesn't have a matter now. And we will use, for example, transparency effect. Let us use the mask outside our rectangle. Like to have green outside and blue inside. And add feathering by sliding the slider. And I will add opacity just to get nice result. I think it's interesting. You can do whatever you want. Thank you for staying with me and hope to see you soon. Bye!